Huntington Voice Business Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a business owner looking for a credit card that truly aligns with your spending habits, you've likely heard about the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card, designed to help small and medium-sized businesses earn meaningful rewards, manage expenses, and simplify finances. This card has been gaining attention in 2025. But the real question is it worth signing up for, or should you leave it? Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know, including features, rewards, fees, and practical examples of how this card performs for business owners. Let's start with the basics. The Huntington Voice Business Credit Card is specifically designed for businesses that want to earn rewards on their day-to-day spending while maintaining flexible repayment options. Huntington Bank, our reputable regional bank in the United States, brings a mix of local and national support to its credit products, making this card a viable choice for both new entrepreneurs and established businesses. One of the most compelling features of the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card is its reward structure. Unlike many business credit cards that offer flat-rate rewards, the Voice card allows you to earn bonus points in categories that are highly relevant to small business operations. For example, you can earn enhanced points on purchases such as office supplies, shipping services, advertising, and telecommunications. In 2025, typical rewards include 3 points per dollar spent in select categories, 2 points per dollar in secondary categories, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. This structure allows businesses to maximize rewards where they spend the most. To put this into perspective, let's consider a small business that spends $2,000 per month on office supplies, $1,500 on shipping services, and $500 on general business expenses. Using the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card, they would earn 6,000 points for office supplies, 4,500 points for shipping, and 500 points for other purchases, totaling 11,000 points in a single month. Over a year, that can translate into significant rewards that can be redeemed for travel, statement credits, or even business equipment, essentially putting money back into your business. Another advantage of the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card is its flexibility and redemption. Points can be redeemed through Huntington's rewards portal for various business-related expenses, such as travel, office supplies, or even charitable donations. This versatility is crucial for business owners who may have different priorities at different times. Some months, you may want to cover travel expenses for client meetings, and other months, reinvest rewards into office infrastructure. The card accommodates these shifting needs. The card also comes with no annual fee, which is a significant selling point compared to other business credit cards that can charge fees ranging from $95 to $595 per year. This means that businesses can start earning rewards without worrying about offsetting an annual cost, making it particularly attractive for startups and small operations with tighter budgets. Now let's talk about interest rates and credit terms. The Huntington Voice Business Credit Card offers a competitive APR range for purchases and balance transfers, typically aligned with prime rates plus a margin. While carrying a balance is generally not recommended, the card does provide a grace period for new purchases, allowing businesses to pay off balances in full each month without incurring interest. For those who need financing flexibility, the card also allows balance transfers, but it's important to review fees and promotional rates carefully to avoid surprises. One of the unique aspects of the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card is its integration with Huntington's digital banking platform. Account holders can track spending, categorize expenses, and even set up alerts for large transactions. This level of transparency makes it easier for business owners to monitor cash flow, budget effectively, and reconcile expenses at the end of the month. Many business owners struggle with keeping personal and business finances separate, and this card's online management tools help streamline that process. Security is another critical consideration. The Huntington Voice Business Credit Card comes with EMV chip technology, real-time fraud monitoring, and zero liability protection for unauthorized transactions. These features provide peace of mind, especially for businesses that may have multiple employees making purchases with company cards. You can even set spending limits on employee cards, ensuring that expenses remain controlled while still giving staff the flexibility to make necessary purchases. Let's consider a practical scenario. Imagine a marketing agency with 3 employees who regularly make purchases for client projects. With a Huntington Voice Business Credit Card, the agency can issue individual cards to each employee, monitor spending in real time, and earn rewards on essential categories like advertising and software subscriptions. At the end of the month, All transactions are easily categorized in Huntington's online dashboard, making bookkeeping and accounting much simpler. Meanwhile, the points earned can be redeemed for software upgrades or travel for client meetings, directly benefiting the business. Another perk worth highlighting is the card's bonus points program. Huntington occasionally offers sign-up bonuses, allowing you cardholders to earn a substantial number of points after meeting a minimum spending threshold within the first few months. For example, a bonus of 15,000 points for spending $5,000 in the first 90 days could provide a significant boost to a small business rewards balance, effectively offsetting costs or funding essential expenses. Customer service is an often overlooked but critical factor for business credit cards. Huntington provides dedicated business banking support, including phone and online assistance, ensuring that any issues with transactions, disputes, or account management can be resolved quickly. For businesses that rely on smooth financial operations, responsive customer support can make a significant difference. Now, let's look at potential drawbacks. The card is best suited for businesses that spend heavily in its bonus categories. If your business expenses are mostly outside of these categories, the rewards potential may not be as high as with a flat rate card. Additionally, while Huntington has a strong regional presence, its physical branch locations may be limited depending on where you live, which could be a consideration if you prefer in-person banking for certain transactions. Another consideration is foreign transaction fees. For businesses that frequently make international purchases, the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card may impose a standard foreign transaction fee. If your operations involve substantial international spending, it's worth comparing this card to other business cards that waive foreign transaction fees. To summarize, the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card offers a compelling reward structure, no annual fee, and excellent digital tools for business expense management. It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that have predictable spending in key categories like office supplies, shipping, advertising, and telecommunications. The card's integration with Huntington's online banking platform adds transparency and convenience, while the rewards redemption options allow business owners to reinvest back into their operations. The bottom line is that the Huntington Voice Business Credit Card is worth considering in 2025 if your business aligns with its bonus categories and you're looking for a flexible, no-fee card that can help streamline expense management and generate meaningful rewards. While it may not be the perfect fit for every business, especially those with primarily international or non-category specific spending, for many small and medium-sized enterprises, it provides a valuable combination of rewards, control, and convenience. In conclusion, Huntington's Voice Business Credit Card stands out as a well-rounded option for businesses aiming to maximize rewards, manage spending efficiently, and leverage technology to simplify financial operations. For entrepreneurs, agency owners, and small business operators seeking a strategic credit card in 2025, this card deserves serious consideration. By understanding its reward structure, leveraging its digital tools, and aligning your spending with the bonus categories, you can turn your business expenses into tangible benefits that support growth and success.